Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm walking you through how to buy Bitcoin instantly using Cash App. Let's get started. First, open your Cash App and log into your account. If you don't have Cash App yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play and set up your account. It only takes a few minutes. Once you're in, tap the Investing tab on the home screen. It looks like a small graph. Then select Bitcoin from the list of available assets. Now enter the amount you want to spend. You can type a dollar amount or choose a present option. Cash App will show you the current Bitcoin price and show how much Bitcoin you'll receive. Review the details, then tap confirm to complete your purchases. Your Bitcoin will be available instantly in your Cash App Bitcoin wallet. You can hold it in Cash App, or if you want to transfer it to an external wallet, tap Withdraw Bitcoin option. Just enter your external wallet address and the amount. Always double check the address before sending. Pro tip: enable recurring buys to automatically purchase Bitcoin daily, weekly, or monthly. This helps you invest consistently over time. And that's it. You've just bought Bitcoin in seconds with Cash App. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto tips. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn next. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.